How's it going, guys? We're here in Oki in Naha. We have about, we have 12 people coming. And here we are. Hey, which one are you putting on?
Take a look.
Yo. Zelda?
Yo.
Piccolo?
He looks all sad in the back. Is there another one that looks slow?
I don't think so.
Actually, is this one?
Elmo?
Yeah, I found one. Come on, let's go match.
What? There's two?
There's two.
We can't both be Stitch.
Yeah, we can. I'll be Cookie Monster then.
I'll be Elmo. I got hearts in it too? That's nice. I got Elmo, Spano, Cookie Monster.
I'm Yoshi.
Okay. We got
Yeah.
which is that one?
Ralph.
Ralph and
Leonardo.
what are you? What is that? Oh, Tom? Yeah, Tom. Deadpool. Captain America from Contra? And then David's got Spider-Man. Like, what the hell is that? Hello. Here we are. We have a lot of go-karts, and we're just gonna go cruise around over here in the city, which we have never done before. It's gonna be pretty cool. You got the other guys ready? Why? Why?
Babe, make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. When I leave for a kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah,
We got all these people staring at us over here.
finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my innocence. Babe, just hit the pedal. If things go wrong, it's just incidental. My bad, never got the memo that you never have fun while you're in the limo. Yeah, you want
This is pretty cool. Like just going through Naha, downtown, and just going through this like whole city over here. This is awesome. Yeah,
too long.
Japanese people are so friendly. They're so nice.
Cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on
They didn't have two-seaters, did they?
No.
That'd be pretty cool.
Sit on my lap.
Oh, he called you fat. Woo! That's a big boy right there.